Women in 3D Printing serves over 10,000 additive manufacturing users across 25 countries in its 65 local chapters to date. This year, we want to bring the AM community together. From designers and engineers, scientists, professors, business and C-suite, women are not only shaping the future of additive manufacturing technology and applications, but are paving the way for aspirational women everywhere. That is why, in January 2021, we will be launching the TIPE conference, the first all-female agenda of speakers sharing their inspirational stories in the form of keynote speeches, panels, case studies, and workshops. If you are interested in promoting our purpose to celebrate women in leadership roles within our industry and want to help tell our story as a media partner, please contact me.